Guys, it's Rick from Chasing Profits. Today we're going to show you how to put in a four-wheel drive transfer case motor, and this four-wheel drive Explorer needs one.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now, what happens when you have a four-wheel drive transfer motor error is when you put the truck in neutral and you try to switch to 4 low, well, it doesn't come on. And you heard a big thump there? Put it in neutral, press the 4x4 low, and now we'll put it in park, and it says for 4x4 low, shift to neutral. So it's not working. So we're gonna go ahead and change that now today. So we'll turn off the truck and we'll get to business. First thing you're gonna need is actually the transfer case itself. The transfer case motor, excuse me. That's right there. I'll put a link in the description below this video. It was about $135, $148 on Amazon. If you click on my link, it'll give me like a few bucks to continue to make videos like this. Appreciate it, guys. So underneath the truck here, I'm going to go to the four-wheel drive area. And it's basically right here. Pretty easy. All you gotta do is take off this cover here, this metal cover. So we're gonna do that. I believe it's number 10 bolts. There's one here and one over here on this side here. So we'll get to work right now. Let's get that number 10, those two bolts off so we can access our motor in here. Guys, this is number 10 on the cover here that protects the motor itself. I know there's one on the back side here. There's one right here too. I'll just take it off just so you guys, so it's easier for the video and all this stuff. Oh gosh. So I took off that. Now we have access to our plug here, which you're just gonna go ahead and pull out. And I'm gonna need a screwdriver there. Pull this off of the holder there. Gonna need a screwdriver to get in there and take that off. We'll take off the screws that are holding this in, the bolts, and looks like we have one here, so one down here, one up top here, and one here. And those all should be number 10s. Check it now. I'm gonna need an extension because I can't get the ratchet in there at the same time. Got my extension here. Do the one up top first. Actually, a third bolt back in here. You can't see, but it's there. Take that one off too. Right, so I'm taking this one off up top there. You can't see it, but it's up there. The motor's coming right off. Alright. Alright. take this off. Alrighty. Our motor is in the high position. So you just got to make sure that the arrow is pointed to the left when we put this back on. So we got some wiring to do. We got to pull out this brown wire. I'll show you how it gets pulled out. And we're going to detach this motor now. So let's do that. Pretty simple here. All you got to do is press down on this tab here and then separate the two like so. I did it with two hands and then showed you how I did it because I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time now. So we disconnect that. Now inside here you'll see a red tab. You need to pull that tab out. Use some needle nose pliers. Okay. So the tab inside here you got to pull out. Pull it right out. Now there's a brown wire, that's this right here in the back. You're just going to pull that right out. See how that pulls out, and there's an empty spot in the back of the harness. Now grab your new motor, which is right here, and you'll see there's an empty spot here, and that's where you're going to put your brown wire. So we'll place our brown wire in there. We got to so we'll take out the red plug in the new motor and we will put it back in when we're ready. We'll put the brown wire now into the correct position. Alright, that looks good. It snaps in, so you don't have to worry about it if it's not in far enough or all that jazz. Now getting this back in is probably the trickiest part of this entire installation. Alright. Very simple. It slides right in. And just go ahead and connect the two wires now. Now that's connected, we'll go ahead and we'll mount it up. And it looks like it's already on 2 high or 4 high. So that's good. So now we'll just mount it. Alright, I got one started here. That's holding it up. So now I gotta take my bracket and I'm gonna have to set this down for you guys. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. But this is the holder that goes on the back side to hold the wires. Okay, you put the bolt through there, and then you're going to go ahead and put it through the motor like so. And that's how this came off. So I'm just going to snug everything with my hand now. Got to put that bracket back on because that's what holds your heat shield on. Protective shield on there. And now we'll go ahead and put on our bolt right here. Snug that one down with my hand. Guys, I buttoned it all back up. Put in my heat shield back in. You can see the new motor's in mounted. I didn't think you guys needed me to show you how to mount all the stuff back in that we just took off together. So, with it mounted, installed, let's go up to mission control. And close the door here. Turn the truck on. Take our parking brake off. Come on, parking brake. Okay. Now, what we got here, put it in neutral. Press 4 low. We're in business. Press 4 high. There we go. Turn off 4-wheel drive. It's off. Now we'll go ahead and put it reverse. Back down off the ramps. And that's it. Get that check engine light taken care of soon. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the oil change required light off on a Ford Explorer, or any type of Ford for that matter. So we'll do that.